Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and I'm going to give you the full tutorial of Murf AI. Murf AI is one of the powerful and realistic AI voice generator available in 2025. So whether you are a YouTuber, marketer, educator or business owner, Murf AI can help you create studio quality voiceovers in just a few minutes. So with the help of Murf AI, you won't even need for any of microphones, or you can just use it without any other recording software. So in this video, I will walk you through the platform's feature and show you how you can create your custom voiceovers step by step and give my honest opinion on its strengths and limitations. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to open your web browser and you need to search for murf.ai. Now, you can even click on the link that is given in the description and you will save some money when you go with their paid plan. So once you are over here, you will see the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to provide your login credentials and your email address and create a strong password for your account. Verify your email and you are done. Then instead of the login option, you will see Open Studio. So click on the Open Studio option and then you will be landed on this dashboard. Now over here we will go through all of the elements on this dashboard one by one. So first of all, we have the home page from where we can basically create a project, create a folder, and we can even invite any teammates. Now in the shared option, if someone shared any file with you, will appear on this section. Then in the templates section, you will see some of the products and business promos. So if you want to clone these, you can simply click on that and then you just have to simply start using it. Next we have the trash, and as the name suggests, if you delete any of the project or any of the folders, it will appear up here. Now if you want to upgrade to their plan, you can just click on it and these are the plans that you can choose. So among these, the best value that they are offering is with this plan, that is going to cost you $199 per month, and the growth plan is also good. But if you don't want to spend this much, you can just continue with the creator plan and it is going to cost you only $19 per month. If you build annually, you are going to save up some money as well. So once you have the plan of Murf.ai, you can start using it. But with the free account as well, you are going to get 10 minutes of voice generation, which is kind of enough if you want to explore Murf.ai's all features. Now if you go back on the home page, click on this create a project, or click on this create a project option, and then you will be redirected on your project page. Now here you are going to see all of the voiceovers that you can basically use, and again we are going to just take a look at all of these tabs one by one. So as I said earlier, you are going to get only 10 minutes and you will be able to basically record 10 minutes of voice here. Now if you want to explore the AI voices, you can just click on this explore AI voices option, and this is the section where all the magic happens. So over here you will see all of the voices and the characters. So here you can just click on it and you can just listen to what she is saying, and if you like this voice, you can just click on use voice. If you don't like it, you can just explore more, and after that you can just select the voice that you want. Now here in the top you will see some of the filters that you can also use in order to find out the best voices for your project. So by default it is going to show you English, US and Canada, and if you want UK voices, you can select English UK. If you want Australian voices, you can select English Australian, and you can even just get a bunch of other languages as well, like French from Canada, French from France, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese and whatnot. You will find almost all of the languages here, and you can select your avatar accordingly. Next we have the option of all genders. So if you click on all genders, you will see male, female and non-binary. So let's say for your project you want female characters, and you can just go with any kind of native speaking. So you just have to simply filter it out and it will show you all of the female voices that are available in English Australia. Next we have all age groups. So if you want to see all of the age groups voices, you can select all age groups, but if you want young or middle aged, you can also select with the help of these two options. Next, in the all styles, you will see all of the styles in which these characters are going to narrate the prompt that you are going to provide them. So these are promo, conversational, calm, narration, sad, and angry. So I guess you won't need sad and angry, so you can go with narration, calm, conversational, and I would not recommend go with promo as well. So you can select between among these three options. Now if you want to get the voices for any purposes, like according to the use cases, like if you want the characters or the voices for your learning project or for the presentations, so you can just select e-learning and presentations. Similarly, for advertisements, you can select this. For audiobooks, you can select. If you want to use these on YouTube, you can select YouTube specifically. So these are the features that you can basically use here. So let's say I want to use this voice, and now after selecting this voice, it has redirected me on this page. Now here is the best part. You will have to provide the text. So here you can write anything, or you can give a prompt to it. Hi, my name is Lisa and I am here to help you out with your project. So let's say this is the prompt that I've given to it. So after you are done, you just have to simply go to this tab and click on generate audio. Now it is going to take some time and it will give you the output, so you can click on it, and now it is going to. My name is Lisa and I am here to help you out with your project. So this is the output which you can listen to, and from this bottom you can just add or subtract any of the portions, but for most of the project you might be wanted to export it. So once you are done with your editing, once you are done with it, you need to click on this export option, and in the export as well you are going to see a bunch of different formats. Like you can just get the audio in the form of video. If you want to get the voice only, select it. If you want voice plus music, you can also select that. For the single file, for the downloading options, you can download it as a single file. You can split it by blocks, and you can even split it by sub blocks. Now I would recommend you to go with the single one, but you can also explore the other two options. Now for format, it will be mp3, and I would recommend you to either go with mp3 or MAV, because these two are the best formats for audio. Now for the audio quality, I would recommend you to go with high, and for channel I would recommend you to go with mono. So after doing these settings, simply click on the export option in the bottom, and you can even just give your file a name. So if you want to do that, you can select this option, and you need to simply export your output in your device, and this is how you can start using Murf.ai. So in my conclusion, I would like to say that Murf AI is a powerful tool for anyone who needs fast professional voiceovers with the realistic AI voices, deep customization, and their voice mimicry feature. It is one of the best text-to-speech platforms available today. So if you want to check it out, use the link that is given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and you can even leave your thoughts in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.